So if you own an RV, you'll have probably come to the realization, like we did very soon, that these tables are pretty rickety and pretty garbage. We had the same kind of table in our smaller trailer, our Cougar, and it actually developed a crack right down the middle, and you'll see that. I'll show some footage of that. So our little dinette table that's inside our Cougar here developed a crack along the middle of it. We just went ahead and ordered this tabletop. I got some legs that I'm going to put on it, and we're going to take out the dinette, put this in its place lengthways to give us a little bit more table space. We can still put things under it. We're limited on space in here, but this is the unboxing. This will be our new dinette table. Really nice. Doesn't look like there's any flaws to it. Some of the reviews I read, some people got them and there was like cracking because it's a butcher block. But it's really nice, happy, it's thick. Got it all wrapped. Nice, huh?
That's nice.
Yeah. Looks thicker than it is.
That's not real thick.
But it's not. It's I think it's 1.5 inches thick.
Yeah.
So that's a nice
table.
Yeah. Put some legs on it.
Get any tools, let me know. I go off my.
Folks, so now I have to go the other one out of there, put this one in, right back. Just brought the old table out. This is the crack there. This old table. When I was disassembling it, I noticed that they only put 4 screws in out of the 12 slots that it has for screws. They only put 4 in to hold this table onto that metal frame. So there's other stuff wrong with this table. These slides inside here were cracked, so the table wouldn't slide like it was supposed to. Anyway, really thin piece of junk, and that's what it looks like inside. Matches. It's beautiful. Fits under the window. I mean, we like it. But we've only had this table for since December. No, since when did we get this? November.
October.
October, the end of October.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, got this the end of October. This Solitude, and this already has some type of crack coming up. Paint's coming up on the sides. It's really rickety. I feel like if I put my weight on this, I don't even know. I mean, it's a metal frame underneath. But I feel like I might pull it out of the wall. It's probably more sturdy than I believe it is, but I just don't like how much it shakes when I'm trying to do stuff. So just like we did with the smaller trailer, taking this out and putting in a longer hardwood table that we can still secure to the wall, and then we just face the window instead of sitting. Like I'm in here and I can barely get in here. You should have seen me trying to get in here right now with my legs barely fitting under the table. So that's what we're doing right now. We're going to take this table out, and we're going to put the new hardwood table in that we ordered from Webster on. I'll put links in the description, and the legs we got from Amazon. But You got a can opener? Alright. Alright, so we're under the table here. As you can see, this table is just bolted on with this frame. And we got 4 screws in the wall here that I'm gonna undo. Oh, hello Ruckus. Can you get out of the film, please? I'm gonna undo those 4 screws and this sucker will come right out. That's all there is to that.
Only 4 screws?
Only 4 screws holding that in. So that was it. 4 screws on each side. Came right off the wall. The original table. Are you on? You're like cricket. Here it is. This is the original table. You see how this was 4 little screws that held this into the wall, and then these little screws that are holding it onto there. I mean, I don't know. Maybe it'll hold out for Armageddon, but I don't think so. So I'm gonna set this over there, and we're gonna bring the other table in. All right, so this is the table that we ordered from Webstaurant. This is the second table I've ordered through them, and we're going to be replacing our table that came with the RV with this one. So we're just going to open it up right now. Hopefully there's nothing wrong.
The unboxing.
It's attached, so that's good. Now, the last one I ordered didn't come with these. The last one I ordered wasn't as nice as this.
I know, this one's so much
It was
nicer.
all one piece. The last one I got was actually a hardwood top, and then it had another layer underneath that was, glued together. But this has, these are here for stability.
Oh,
Actually,
nice.
put these in here if you want to come a little bit closer and kind of get a close up with these. These are kind of help to make the table more rigid, more sturdy, so it doesn't split apart where these have been. These pieces have been put together.
Some lights on the side. Very nice.
Yeah, with sunlight. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
I like it. Do you like it?
That's the big test, is if the wife likes it.
Yeah.
I don't really care as long as it serves its purpose. But if you like it.
Yeah.
All right. So I got these legs from Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description for these. I made sure that the width of these would fit with the table, because the table doesn't come with these legs. We got these separately. And I'm just going to measure them so that they're perfectly lined up here. Then I'll drill a couple holes. Turns out the screws that came with these legs is going to be perfect, because they're only going to go an inch into the wood after they go through. And the inch is about perfect, because this is 1 1/4 inch thick wood. So. Made sure I measured the sides here, and they were even. It was 2 1/4 inches, and then I measured the back corners here. Those were 3 inches to make sure it lined up. So I got all my screws in. We're good to go. Now I'm putting these casters on the top. Another option, instead of the casters, I can put felt strips along the entire bottom of this so it sits right against the floor, which keep you from getting any of those divots in the floor, which can happen. All right, so we did have some felt pads. So we're doing that. Putting these on. And I want to make sure I'm putting them over top of the holes, just because we don't want this rubbing against that floor. And we just picked these up at Lowe's, right?
Yeah. Lowe's, Home Depot.
Ruckus! Hush! Hush! Shush! Ruckus is like separation anxiety even when we're 10 feet away. Alright, so now we're going to, with Lenny's help, I probably don't either. I don't know. But we're going to bring this inside. We can back up a little bit.
Here's our new table.
Yep, here it is. This is how we got it set up. This is how we like it. This way we can both sit here comfortably. We're not trying to squeeze in like sardines and fit in around the other table. It has a lot more space, especially for this is where we keep the laptop with we have a monitor that we do all the editing and stuff on, as well as sit down to eat if we want to. So this is it. It's nice. Like how it turned out. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for visiting. Please like, subscribe, comment on some stuff. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you've done different, if you've tried something similar. If you have any questions about what we did, I'm going to put links down below on where we got everything, how much it costs, what are the sizes, all that good stuff. I hope this helps somebody out.
I'm pretty excited.
Have a nice day.